Hi guys, it's your boy Gadget Man 404 here, and this is a place in Draycote. It's now called Victoria Mill or Victoria Mills, and it was mills like fabrication mills, I believe, and it's now been converted into office spaces and apartments. The way I got to this place is on the way to Draycote. You can turn on to what's called Hopeful Lane, and halfway down there's a building site on the left and the right, and there's an old filled in canal path, and then there's fields that back onto the canal path. So I'm in the field, so I've got perfect line of sight, and I see this building and I think, oh, this will be amazing. As you know guys, you can fly Mavic Mini in built up areas now because of the weight category. Under 250 grams, it's classed as low to no risk, so you are allowed to fly in congested built up areas. But be careful guys when the weather is windy, and especially you've never flown in that particular area. You don't know if you're going to get any signal breakup or any interference. But I just thought this looked such a cool shot. Unfortunately, it's a bit overexposed, so the end tower, there's a clock tower, the top actually is like a lime green lead, but because I overexposed, because it was dull, I overexposed because I wanted to, still get a nice shot. Now at this point, it's getting weak signal, adjust antennas, so I'm going down the field trying to reconnect, and unfortunately it doesn't reconnect. So that was probably me turning it and not realizing I was turning it. Now where the mill is, if you go straight forward, then that will take you back to me. At this point the wind speed is probably over 20 odd miles an hour at gusts. I'm at low battery. It isn't returning to home, like literally it says RC signal lost, and as a rule normally what happens is after 11 seconds it doesn't automatically return to home. But guys, be mindful, high winds, low battery, this could happen to you. And I've been flying for 8 years this year. I've had this drone for a year and a half, and this has never happened to me before. So I fly far away, don't get me wrong guys, but I check the weather conditions. I had 50-foot trees all around me in this field, so I couldn't feel the wind until it changed direction and it was blowing onto me. And as you guys are aware, low down speed may be mild, but the higher up you go it does get stronger. At this point I've got full black screen, full RC signal lost. I'm pressing the return to home button and nothing seems to be happening. My controller is making a funny beeping noise, and I've never heard that noise in over a year and a half, and to this day I still don't know what that beep was, but it wasn't the typical return to home. So I've got black screen, my drone isn't returning to home, high winds, low battery, and at this point it says critically low battery landing, and I get this shot on my screen for about 5 seconds, and I'm like, what? No, I don't know what's underneath me. Look at the wind guys, look at them trees. It is blowing a gale. I've got critically low battery. If you give it throttle like I just did, you can still raise the drone, but I don't know where it is because now the screen has gone, and luckily for me it landed in a factory backyard. Gadget Man 404, be careful guys when you fly in high winds and low battery.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.